It looks like a USB mouse connection. It's that size, and I just slip the card in there, and then I just plug it into a USB port, and I download them off there. Oh, no problem. No problem.
We're going to leave in 1 hour.
Okay. It doesn't look like much, but if you're doing a lot of different terrains like hiking, and you don't want to carry a big camera, and you can get the strap mount, you can get a head mount, you can get stickers and stick it on your car, you can do all kind of stuff.
And his bomb.
So today I'm selling them for about
Yeah, right. I was going to say, you make good commission on it.
I'll tell you what, the size and the portability, it beats the heck out of them. I mean, I had 2 very expensive cameras, and I didn't get the later ones, but they had the small tape, one failed me twice. They were both Sonys. Cost $1,200 to get it, to buy it. $400 to get it fixed. When it broke the second time, I threw it on the ground and stepped on it. I'm serious. You can ask her. She said, "What's wrong?" I said, "I'm tired of it."
I don't blame you.
Okay. And what happened? Oh, good. I hope there's no residual plutonium in here. Yeah, taken with the high-speed camera. Yeah.
So that's that thing over there.
No, that tower melted. That's the one you saw the picture where it was melted. Yep, that's the way it was in the old days. Okay. Okay. I don't know why.
I think we need to just pick it.
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Okay.
No, Dad, I don't need water.
Yeah, that's like an oil derrick. It looks like.
For that, that's good.
Right. No, nobody was in it. They just set up the cameras, and then they left.
Get one for John.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, because I want to walk to the other side. We got to leave. Otherwise, if we don't make it, we don't make it, okay? No, I'm going to.
That's the reconstruction.
I don't know what that is. Wait a minute. That's probably part of the original ranch.
It bowed the roof. So that was kind of like base camp where the guards cooks and that. It's a barn and garage at McDonald Ranch. Note how it bowed the roof with the explosion. That's on this.
Okay.
And here, they have a swimming pool. well,
It's
it was
quite the
a
pool.
reservoir. They used to go to swimming in.
No.
Time capsule.
Let's boogie. That looks like an old water tower or something. Okay, heading back to the bus. Heading for ground zero now. And then we're going to try to make it to the VLA, but probably ain't going to happen today.